right, it's time to open the Advent Calendar from CoraCrea Crafts. I'm so excited. All right, here we go. I mean, I want to open them all. Here we go. Gift one. All right, here we go. I always feel like you can even save this paper and do some fun crafts with just the paper. Okay, themed stationery book, cute. Okay, let's dive deeper. Okay, here we go. Envelopes. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, cute. Cute, 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 cute. And oh my gosh, so many stickers. Oh my gosh, look at all the stickers. So many. So many stickers. I mean, this is a huge gift just in and of itself. Okay. And we've got some paper. Okay, and it all goes together. Look at this. All right, loving it. Got paper with cute matching stickers, more cute matching envelopes. Can you imagine just getting this in the mail? You get this in the mail, you know that this is something special. This isn't your average white envelope. All right. Very exciting start to day one. Day one of the CoraCrea Crafts Advent Calendar. Such a win. I feel like this is so cool to start out with it. Really, you're off on a great start. Can't wait for more. See you tomorrow.